Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
In a highly sought-after quiet location surrounded by other quality properties is this beautifully presented and lovingly maintained, character-filled home. Boasting an ever-popular open floor plan, this lovely residence has a spacious lounge area, separate well-appointed kitchen overlooking the meals family room, large bedrooms with built-in robes and a carport. If you enjoy entertaining, this property comes with your very own spacious private yard, leading off from the meals family room. Perfect for relaxing afternoons and evenings. Close to all amenities including schools, shops and transport, this beautiful property is a must-see for anyone looking for only the highest levels of quality, low-maintenance living. We assure you an inspection won't disappoint.
At Biggin and Scott Knox, we deliver.